Oh my God, just Vegas, put my stuff here, and Cat is going crazy. Cat, you're going crazy. You're going crazy. You missed me. You missed me. I was gone for a week, neglected you, but I'm home now. I'm home. I'm home. Hey, I do not know if I recorded a clip before this or after this. I don't know. I am back from Las Vegas, everybody, and back home. Right behind me is Planet Hollywood at downtown Disney Springs. Coming to Disney real fast. I have to redo my card to get into the theme parks. It's that time. And from here, heading on over to a restaurant that I really enjoyed the last time I was there. I'm going to take you guys along with me there. And then I'm going to go home and crash and relax and recoup from this incredible long week of airline travel, walking, and adult beverages. It's been a long week. This is new. We're inside the T-Rex. You guys know this place because I eat here a lot. But you've seen the Build-A-Bear experience, right? Well, here it's like build a dino. Build a dino. But it is very Build-A-Berry. Easter, oh wow. That is, you could build an Easter dino. Not bad, not bad. I never even knew this was back here. It's like does Build-A-Bear own this? Or
yeah,
so
we are affiliated with Build-A-Bear, and we also, we're actually the only Build-A-Dinosaur in the entire world, so
really?
This is a little unique. The dinosaurs that we have on the wall are only exclusive to our store.
The only Build-A-Bear dino in the world.
Yes,
We rock in Orlando.
thank you.
So what do you guys think about that? So if you want a dino, you got to come here to get it because it's the only one in the world. I don't know why he's so grouchy. He must be hungry. All right, this is what that dinosaur was craving. That's what his belly was growling. I'm having Portobello stuffed raviolis here at the T-Rex, and they are delicious. It's one of my favorite foods here on Disney property.
That I can bring over at the moment?
No, this is good. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
And yeah, he's not happy. He's starting to get aggravated. He wants my raviolis. So we are done at the Rainforest Cafe, or not Rainforest, but T-Rex. Totally full, pretty much, but we're supposed to be meeting a bunch of people here. And you might ask where here is. And trust me, I know Tommy Travels has a new video up from this place, but it's ended up becoming one of my favorite restaurants. And that is the U&Me Hot Pot, revolving hot pot. And why not? We're gonna meet Jen Vargas and her husband, and we're gonna enjoy a little bit of robot goodness. Hello, Peanut. How have you been?
Go, go, go!
Thank you so much.
Looking forward to starting
Follow Peanut.
a wonderful journey together with you.
Those of you that don't remember my video on this place, it's pretty amazing. So you walk up, you get your food, you put it on a plate. This is the proteins. They got anything you could possibly think of. And then they bring you a broth and you cook it at your table, and this conveyor belt right here, you just grab what you want, toss it in the broth. And there's a 2-hour limit of all you can eat and cook, and it's pretty incredible. Now, honestly, last time I was here, I got complaints from people that said, Rick, hippie, you don't know what you're doing. You don't know how to cook food. They watched how I made my food, and they seen what I put in the bowl, and they said, you're doing it all wrong, man. You're doing it all wrong. Oh, I was just telling them last time I came,
Yeah.
and everybody was telling me I didn't know what I was doing. They were watching me cook.
Yeah, sure.
And they go, that's not how you do it. You're doing it wrong. We need to show up there with you one day and show you how to do it.
Yes.
But I thought it tasted good.
Yeah, sure. You need a broth right now or later?
They're at Florida Mall. They're on their way here now.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
So,
I
but
can wait.
oh yeah, we'll take the teas though.
Yeah, sure. What kind do you like?
What was that one you made me the one time? Not the fruity one, but the chocolate.
Oh, creamy one.
Yeah, the creamy one. That was so
Yeah,
good.
How about it first?
Stephanie. She just moved down here today from Idaho.
Oh, wow, really?
This is her first time.
Yeah, thank you so much. How you like it, okay? Yeah, you want to drink something? Sure. Yeah, drink the creamy one or no creamy? Creamy? I give it.
You know what I like.
I got you.
I love you, man. Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
thank you.
All right, this is a great place. You guys are gonna love it. And if you're a YouTuber or an Instagrammer, they take care of you. Definitely check it out. You and Me Revolving Hot Pot on 535, just outside of downtown Disney/Disney Springs. It's amazing. Well, at the moment, this is what I'm working with. This is what I've pulled off the conveyor so far. I'm still waiting for my broth. I have not ordered it yet because I'm waiting for Jen Vargas from Central Florida Top 5 and her husband to show up. And then we're gonna chow down, but I'm stocking up before they get here. And I have to tell you, the wait staff is as amazing as ever. I mean, why wouldn't they be? They're robots, right? Robots are always polite. The damage is about ready to begin. Well, first we gotta boil this and get it cooking, but if you guys remember the last time I was here, how amazing it was. Now this is all you can eat. You can eat as much as you want. They have a whole seafood and beef and pork and everything else and a sauce station over there. Definitely a lot of great stuff. So I'm going for the spicy today. Getting the spicy broth, some crawfish, some fatty beef, dumplings, corn, different types of mushrooms and noodles. So let's get to cooking. Yum. Got to get this a boiling, really good. Then we have, I think we're gonna put the noodles in last. I think I'm gonna do some corn. Corn I think is gonna be the best thing. It's gonna take a little bit long. Yeah, Stephanie is saying 3 to 4 minutes on corn, so it might as well go in now. I don't think you could overdo corn. So let's drop that in. Get that thing cooking. Oh, I love hot pot. Okay, so far, I did it smart this time. I peeled the crawfish before dropping them in so their shells don't get mixed up with all the food. So I peeled it, put the tails in. I got some corn in there. It is a boil. Ooh, it's boil. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It is looking good. It's coming along nicely. This is your third time eating here. That's right. With Tommy Travels, with me, and now with all of us.
Yes. I bring YouTubers to you.
Look at the color. Can you guys see that? How good does that look? Now we're just gonna let that boil for a little bit, and then we're gonna drop some homemade dumplings in there. Hopefully this time I don't get ragged on for not knowing what I'm doing. Last time it just sucked. Everybody's contacting me going, hey, you don't know how to cook.
I've had it.
Well, I'm getting the hang of it. I have to look into my front lens here, of the video thing. Remind me, guys, if I come here again, which you know I will because I love it, avoid the spicy broth. Oh, wow.
Did you try the spicy?
That's what I got. And holy smoke.
It's delicious.
It's delicious, but one bite, you break into a sweat. I don't know what it is, but it's spicy. I guess it's spicy. I know what it is. It's spicy. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll be here soon, okay?
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
So good, guys. This is so good. Even though it's too spicy, it's still so good. He's right behind you.
But yeah, he loved it. The experience. I'm harder to deal with.
I have never seen a person taking food so quick. Excellent.
Comes for my food. It's gonna need new electronics because I'm gonna bash it. It's not taking my food. I am done. I cannot eat anymore. I turned my hot pot off. I have one dumpling left, and I probably should eat it, but I'm not. I gotta watch my girly figure. So once again, you and me with a U. Oh, here we go. You and me. If you guys are ever at the Disney area, make sure you come and check this place out because it's definitely amazing. And also follow them on TikTok. Until the next time, guys, I think I'm gonna have to go to the bathroom.
You need anything else?
Peace out, everybody. Is that for me? Thank you. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Oh, so sweet. So sweet.
You can cobble it together. Good.
U&me is ready.
Look, you guys got your dessert. You guys got your dessert.
What's she saying?
Those are all for Jen's.
That's not all for me.
Yep.
We're gonna split.
Now you got it.
He wants you to have it all. That's the vanilla.
You got to say goodbye to it.
Oh,
Thank you.
Tap the
Jay,
head.
we're splitting this.
Up high.
No, at the top. There you go.
I have never smelled person taking food so quick. Awesome.
Okay, what do you think, Jay?
That was pretty cool.
That's
What
pretty.
did she say? I couldn't hear her.